1. Get ready, it's about to go even dirtier in Dirt Part 2.
Powamoto! He's a legend! He's a dream! He's the man!
There once was a young rider who rode out into the Everglades seeking enlightenment. Upon his return, the universe spoke to him, inspiring him and energizing him, naming him Mr. Sky Champion, and his bike, Shiva Rose, and his bike, Follow the Sky Champion on his journey as he gives back to the community and shares his inspiration with everyone on the Powamoto channel. Let the Sky Champion share his energy and inspiration with you.
Powamoto, baby! Oh, snap, that was cool. I like that. It's crazy as hell. His dad rides, he rides, their families ride. Cool. See you, brother. KTM 890 Super Duke sick. Sick. Sick all day. Sick all day. Factory racing. Sick. DJ. Sick. I'm learning about off-road. I like this Bumblebee. I can't wait to see this on the track. Oh, wow. He's got the sexiness going. I like that. I like the sexiness, brother. That we have to bring to film. That's what we do. Nice. I haven't seen that color before. It's not quite yellow. It's like a cream.
It's like a desert.
It's like a desert tan.
Yeah.
Mixed in with some sexiness. I'm gonna check out the dirt shop too. Hashtag these people. All right, I'm here with Zach, my new friend. He's been riding since he was 6 years old, and he's pulling off his Suzuki. Which model is this, bro?
It's the 2002 RM250.
That's sick. Okay, so what are the features of this bike that make it, you know, kind of spectacular that someone new like myself to the motocross scene may not be familiar with?
The best part about it is that it's a two-stroke.
Oh man, it's like a bike tire, man.
There you go.
This thing's like a bike. It is a bike. It's an off-road bike. I like it, man. Cool.
I'd say another good thing about two-strokes is that they're lighter.
They're lighter.
Yeah,
okay.
way lighter.
What a great manager. He's the best. Lazaro. Hey. Next week I'm coming for my free test ride.
For sure.
I got about in South Florida. You got to come see my new family, DJ.
Cavaliere Inexistente.
Oh, that's so sexy! Say it again and for the English listeners.
The Invisible Knight. Cavaliere Inexistente.
Snap! The Invisible Knight? You thought about that. That's sweet. And then in Spanish for the Latinos.
Cavaliere Inexistente.
All right, sick! We got a DJ in the house on the dirt track at Miami MX Park, and Powamoto just got 2 more subscribers. I love you guys! Those are not clean. That's how it goes. Dirt. That's because I'm at the Smoke Meeting Express, baby. The perfect smoke flavor. And this is the guy right here. He knows how to cook it up. And the Colombian drinks are off the chain. What? Oh man, that's hot. Ooh, wow. 2 hours?
Yeah.
Wow, sick. You okay, bro? I got a little something for you, help you out, man. What happened to your leg, bro? You just got out of the hospital?
Yes.
What happened to you, bro?
I got hit by a truck.
Oh my God.
I was drunk. And
You got hit by a truck. Okay, do you have a good lawyer?
I'm trying to, but I was drunk.
Can you say thank you, Powamoto?
Powamoto. Powamoto. Thank you, Powamoto. Thank you, Scott Chapin.
Good boy.
Thank you.
I'm on YouTube.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a booty dance. My leg is broken, but
Got the booty dance? Do the booty dance. What? You do the booty dance? You know, you've been through a tough time, but you're still having fun.
Okay.
I like this guy. Still got a smile. May be down, but still got a smile. That's what we talking about on Powamoto.
look.
All right, brother.
Lift this.
Lift it.
Yeah, try to lift it.
It's heavy. What the hell?
Well, broken leg.
What? All right, brother. You have a good day. Keep smiling. You keep smiling.
God is over there for me. Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you. Booty dance. I like this guy. Have a good day, brother. Be safe out here.
Okay. Hey, my next job will be at restaurant. Which you know what's called? IHOP.
Ah, he's working at IHOP. I like this guy. I got this guy. On Powamoto, watching the videos on Powamoto. This is what the winners do. This is the winner's circle. You put your feet up, you put your camera on Powamoto, and you rock out. Check out my editing. I'm into music, arts, Winwood, promotion, and motorcycles. My bike's a ZX-10R on the street. I race. 2012, the best.